Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you the two ways to add degree Celsius on Google Docs. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my Google Docs. Now over here is 25 and here is also 25. I'll show you the two ways to add degree Celsius over here. For now, let's go with the first method. Now I'll move my cursor over here, and after that from keyboard, first of all press Alt and just type 248 in sequence and leave this Alt. And you'll find this degree over here. I'll show you the manual way as well. Now I'll move this cursor after this 25, and now I'll go to Insert and over here go to this special characters. Over here on the search box, search degree. And now over here you can find this degree sign. Click on this and after that you can see here is our degree symbol. So in this way we can add degree centigrade on Google Docs. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.